Hey, what's up guys, it's Femi here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on our VMware workstation where I'm going to show you how to install on Windows 10 on it. So let's jump right into it. So first things first, you have to open up your VMware workstation player and you click on create new virtual machine. So the next thing is to pick up your installer, that is your ISO file. You install this image here. If you click that, it identifies it. You can skip the Windows product key and just go right ahead with it, and from there you pick your specific disk capacity, that is how much of space you want it to take up, and your RAM, it defaults to 2 gig of RAM, so that's pretty much okay. For that's the lowest amount of RAM you can use to run your Windows 10 OS. So I'm going to leave this to go for a while, and because it takes a bit of time, I'm not going to lie to you, it takes a bit of time to run this, so I'm going to give it all the time it needs, and we're going to come back and see how it goes. So as you can see right now, we are pretty much done with the installation, and okay, let me just take this off the screen. Come in. Yeah, okay, yeah, we are done. So what I'd like to do next is just, okay, let me open up the Explorer. So it's loading up now, and I'm going to show you the system properties so you can see it. System properties. Yeah, that's your 60 gigs, the one I gave it to it, and this DVD drive is your ISO file, raising it up as a disk. So as you can see now, this is our system property, our device specifications. It's still running on my normal chip and everything, but it has 2 gigs of RAM. So next thing, I think I'll just increase the aspect ratio of the virtual machine, so you can fill up the screen of the laptop. You can see it's just like a portion right now. So right now it's around 124 by 768. So I'll just take that to 19 somewhere 1920 by 180 by 1080. That will fit your screen. Keep changes. Then I make this full screen so you can go up around the whole screen. I can see how it looks like. You can see how it looks like. So I hope you enjoyed this right here, and I'm going to make more videos like this, working on Kali Linux, Ubuntu, virtually any OS I can come up with, Mint OS, Mac OS. Fun fact, I've never actually used the Mac OS system before, so it's going to be fun to learn how it works and make videos on that. So till next time, please subscribe to the channel. Peace.